Hello, greetings everyone. This is Avishka Thadani and welcome to the Daily Affairs. Right here, you will be given all the front page updates of the day quite informatively. So before we begin, I have a news related fact for all of you. The very first instance of newspaper was commissioned by Julius Caesar in 59 BC. It was basically a list of happenings around the area carved onto a metal or stone, which was later termed as newspaper. So now let's move on to the first news of the day. So the first update right here says PM pictures Uniform Civil Code slams the opposition's vote bank policy. According to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Uniform Civil Code is the need of an hour for the country as the country cannot function upon two different set of laws for different citizens residing in different areas. PM Modi on Tuesday made a strong indication saying that country needs Uniform Civil Code to strengthen unity amongst the citizens because functioning such a large number of population with different set of laws is becoming quite difficult for the government. Honorable Prime Minister also spoke about poor conditions of Muslims belonging to backward caste and the upper caste dominated leadership of the community and the secular political parties for neglecting them while pursuing the vote bank politics. Mr. Narendra Modi mentioned that a home cannot function with different laws for different people. Similarly, a country can also not function with this dual law system policy. The opposition party may address of Muslim rights, but they only scream Musalman Musalman just for the vote bank purposes, says RPM. Moving on, Dudu will be a separate district as mentioned in the budget, says MLA Nagar. CM Ashok Gehlot a day before stated that Jaipur will be divided into two distinctive parts, which will be Jaipur Rural and Jaipur District. Opposing to this statement, MLA Nagar from Dudu stated that Dudu will not be a part of these two districts, in spite that there will be a division of three districts. Sambhar and Fulera will constitute Dudu, while rest of the area will be into the Jaipur Rural District. Also, local leaders from Sambhar and Fulera district said that they require a different set of tehsil because they are much older as compared to Dudu. MLA Nagar also told Times of India that Dudu was divided as a different district during the time of budget policy. CM announced the decision of creating a separate Dudu district while announcing the budget policy. This decision cannot be altered so easily by just a mere statement. Kailash Sharma of Sambhar Fulera Zilla Sangharsh Samiti said that the only option for the government is to grant district status to Sambhar Fulera and merge Dudu with it. These twin towns are much older as compared to Dudu. For the next news we have Ahmedabad to host India-Pakistan World Cup. PCB says that it needs government's nod. The Narendra Modi Stadium of Ahmedabad is the largest stadium of the whole world, encompassing 132,000 spectators at one time. Ahmedabad is all set to host India vs Pakistan ODI World Cup on October 15, 2023. The Pakistan Cricket Board stated that it needs a final call from the Pakistan government before putting on any decision. We are depending on our government for any final call. As soon as we get a nod, we will be responding back, says Pakistan Cricket Board. US call center fraud, ED raids 14 states around the country. Amidst a very big call center scam going on in the country, Enforcement Directorate's zonal offices decided to raid various parts of the country, specifically in Rajasthan. ED raids 14 places in the state and country on Tuesday, including Jaipur, Nagaur, Mathura, Lucknow and Kanpur, in connection with multi-crore cheating case of US citizens by promising them loans. The fraud came into limelight in 2020 and the Jaipur police arrested 23 members of the gang for duping foreign nationals through international call centers operating from places such as Mohali. Jaipur ED officers came up to the case as the kingpins in multi-crore fraud, Mahmood Khan and Ramzan Khan, were from Nagaur. and the allegedly ran the call center. We have collected incriminating evidences including laptop, bank accounts and property details amongst others, states ED officer. According to ED sources, the racket invested money from the fraud in land and other parts of the country. ED has registered this case in 2020 under sections of Prevention of Money Laundering Act and started investigating. That's it with all the front page news. See you next time. Stay tuned.